Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft the charcoal in Minecraft. So in order to do this, we'll need to actually any kind of fuel for our furnace and the wood itself. So cut down any tree in order to get some, for example, oak logs. So let's get 64 of them right here. Right click on our furnace, place them on the bottom and place them on the top and place some fuel on the bottom, and that way you'll craft some charcoal. And as I mentioned, you can use any kind of fuel. There could be sticks or basically anything made of wood or coal itself. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.